Magnifier Microscope Plus is an Android application that transforms a smartphone into a powerful magnifying glass or microscope, enabling users to zoom in on objects for closer examination. This app is particularly useful for those who need to read small text, inspect intricate details, or observe tiny objects in various contexts such as hobbies, crafts, or scientific studies. Typically, Magnifier Microscope Plus offers features such as adjustable zoom levels, image stabilization, and the ability to capture photos or videos of the magnified view. Users can often customize settings like brightness and contrast to enhance visibility, making it easier to see fine details. The app may also include a flashlight feature, allowing users to illuminate dark areas for better observation. It's designed with a user-friendly interface, ensuring ease of use for individuals of all ages, from students to professionals. Overall, Magnifier Microscope Plus serves as a versatile tool for anyone needing to magnify and examine objects closely, combining convenience and functionality in a single mobile application.